সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই সুস্থ দেহ মনে সুন্দরভাবে লেখাপড়া চালিয়ে যাচ্ছ। গত ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদেরকে বিভিন্ন অ্যালজেব্রিক ফর্মুলা দেখিয়েছিলাম। আজকে আমি দেখাবো তাদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস। আশা করি পুরোটা সময় তোমরা আমার সাথে থাকবে। তাহলে চলো শুরু করি। আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাবো ফর্মুলা 1 এবং ফর্মুলা 2 অ্যাপ্লিকেশনস। আমরা জানি ফর্মুলা 1 হচ্ছে a প্লাস বি হোল স্কোয়ার ইকুয়ালস a স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কোয়ার, এবং ফর্মুলা 2 হচ্ছে a মাইনাস বি হোল স্কোয়ার ইকুয়ালস a স্কোয়ার মাইনাস 2ab প্লাস b স্কোয়ার। এই দুটো ফর্মুলা ব্যবহার করে কিভাবে অ্যালজেব্রিক এক্সপ্রেশনের স্কোয়ার বের করতে হয় তা আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি। Question number 1. Find the square of m plus n. So we can write the square of m plus n is m plus n whole square. Now expand this. M plus n whole square can be written as m square plus 2 into mn plus n square. Our basic formula is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the first term is considered as a and second term is considered as b. So it forms a plus b whole square, and hence we can write m square plus 2 into m into n plus n square. So this is our answer. We can freshly write m square plus 2mn plus n square. So it is our answer. Now see question number 2. Find the square of 3x plus 4. Here we can write the square of 3x plus 4 is 3x plus 4 whole square. Now we can consider 3x as a and 4 as b. So it forms a plus b whole square format. So we can write a square means 3x square plus 2 into a means 3x into b means 4 plus 4 square, b square means 4 square. Now we expand this. 3x whole square means 9x square. 3x into 3x, which forms 9x square, plus now multiply this 3. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24. So it forms 24x plus 4 square means 16. So it is our answer. In this way we can determine the square of 3x plus 4. Now let's see the next question. Question number 3. Determine the square of 2x plus 3y. So we can write the square of 2x plus 3y is 2x plus 3y whole square. Now expand it according to a plus b whole square. Here 2x is considered as a and 3x as b. So we can write 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. In this way we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now expand it. 2x whole square means 4x square. Now multiply this 3. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. So 12xy plus 3y whole square means 9y square. So it is our answer. In this way we can determine the square of 2x plus 3y. Now we will see question number 4. See question number 4. We are to determine the square of x plus 2y. So we can write the square of x plus 2y is x plus 2y whole square. Now we can expand this according to a plus b whole square. Here x is considered as a and 2y as b. So we can write x square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2y whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now write it, x square, then multiply this 3, then it forms 4xy plus 2y whole square means 2y into 2y, which forms 4y square. So it is our answer. Now we will see question number 5. In question number 5, we have to determine the square of 3a plus 5b. Let's see how we can do this. We can write the square of 3a plus 5b is 3a plus 5b whole square. Okay, now we can expand this a plus b whole square in this format. Here 3a is considered as a and 5b is considered as b. So we can write 3a whole square plus 2 into 3a into 5b plus 5b whole square. In this way we can write. Now 3a whole square means 9a square. Then multiply this 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. So 30ab plus 5b whole square means 25b square. 5b into 5b, which forms 25b square. So in this way we can determine the square. So it is our answer. Now let's see question number 6. See question number 6, we have to determine the square of 2a plus 5. So we can write the square of 2a plus 5 is 2a plus 5 whole square. Now expand this. Here 2a as a and 5 as b. So we can write twice a whole square plus 2 into twice a into 5 plus 5 square. In this way we can write. Now expand this. 2a whole square means 4a square plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20. So 20a plus 5 square means 25. So we got our answer. It is 4a square plus 20a plus 25. Hope you understood. Let's move to question number 7. See question number 7, we have to determine the square of x square plus 5. So we can write the square of x square plus 5 is x square plus 5 whole square. Here x square is considered as a and 5 as b. So we can write x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, now expand it. X square whole square means x to the power 4. Here multiply this 3, it is 10x square and 5 square means 25. So we got our answer. It is x to the power 4 plus 10x square plus 25. It is our answer. See question number 8. Here we have to determine the square of 5a square plus 9m square. So we can write the square of 5a square plus 9m square is 5a square plus 9m square whole square. Okay, here 5a square is considered as a and 9m square as b. So we can write 5a square whole square plus 2 into 5a square into 9m square plus 9m square whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. In this way we expanded this. Now write it. It would be 25 a to the power 4. Now multiply these 3. It is 2 into 5 10, 10 into 9 90, a square m square plus 9m square whole square. It means 81 m to the power 4. 9m square into 9m square, which yields 81 m to the power 4. So it is our answer. Hope you understood. See, question number 9. We have to determine the square of 105 using a plus b whole square. So we can write it as the square of 105 is 105 whole square. So we can write it as 100 plus 5 whole square. Now it falls into the formula a plus b whole square. So we can write 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 5 plus 5 square. In this way you can expand it. Now calculate this. 100 square means 100 into 100, which yields 10,000, plus multiply this. It would be 1000 plus 5 square means 25. Now add this 3. It makes 11,025. So it is our answer. In this way we can determine the square of 105. Let's see another problem similar to this. See, question number 10. We have to determine the square of 15 using formula. We can write the square of 15 is 15 square, and 15 can be written as 10 plus 5 whole square. Here 10 as considered a and 5 as b. So we can apply the formula as 10 square plus 2 into 10 into 5 plus 5 square. Now 10 square means 100. Now multiply this. It is again 100 and it is 25. Now add this 3. It makes 225. So it is our answer. So in this way we can determine the square of 15.